What's up, everybody? This is the Tech Preacher. So I'm out here at the park. Really good, beautiful day. I got the LG Wing. And one of the unique standout features of the LG Wing is gimbal mode when filming. So in this video, I'm going to do cinematic footage using gimbal mode on the LG Wing. Now the LG Wing is capped out at 1080p in gimbal mode. Now in the regular camera app, you can do 4K, but in gimbal mode, it's only capped out at 1080p, 30 frames per second. What I like about gimbal mode is it takes the footage and smooth it out. You don't need a gimbal, and it takes all the jitteries out of it. And I really do like it. And a lot of people saying that gimbal mode on the LG Wing, the footage is not that great. Well, I've made videos about this already, and the footage that's coming out the LG Wing is absolutely amazing. So in this video, I'm going to do cinematic footage and put some clips together and let y'all guys see how good the LG Wing is. And I'm not using no gimbal. It's going to all be handheld. And I'm going to come back and give you my commentary. Sit back and relax and get your popcorn ready and follow me on this journey. Let's go. All right, so I hope you enjoyed the cinematic footage that I did with the LG Wing. This is a fantastic phone. Look, in gimbal mode, it's capped out at 1080p, 30 frames per second, which is fine. I mean, it's a limitation of the 765G processor, but it's capped out at 1080p, 30 frames per second. Yes, I wish it did have, 4K, 60 frames per second in gimbal mode, but you do have the regular camera app that does have 4K. So if you want 4K, shoot it in the regular camera app. Gimbal mode, I made videos about this phone in gimbal mode, all the features that it has. Check out my channel as far as pan forward and all the unique features that this phone has. But in this video, all the thing I did was I just shot this in 1080p, 30 frames per second, and I would just pan it around nice and slow so I could get slow-mo shots. Now, you would usually do that in 60 frames per second, but I did it in 30 frames per second. Also, even though I shot this in 1080p, 30 frames per second, I'm gonna render this in 4K. So you're gonna see this in 4K, so it's no big deal, right? So I'm out here at the park, and I hope y'all enjoyed the clip. Look, one of the things that I've heard out there on the internet is that gimbal mode, when you're shooting in gimbal mode, this device just doesn't look that great. Well, you be the judge for yourself when looking at the footage that I just shot with the LG Wing. I think it's fantastic. I like this phone, man. A lot of people is picking up the LG Wing because of the fire sale. A lot of people say they've been getting it for $350 to $450. Congratulations to all. I've also heard that the LG Wing been sold out all over the place. So congratulations to everybody that's picking up the LG Wing. I will continue to make videos about the LG Wing and all the unique features about this device. Now, gimbal mode, I've made a video about gimbal mode already, about pan forward and all the features. So check out my YouTube channel. I got videos about the LG Wing. This is the Tech Preacher from Easy Computer Solutions. Leave your comments down below. Let me know what you think about the LG Wing in all its glory. See you guys on the next video. Peace.